Hi everyone, welcome back to Spark Plugins YouTube channel. Today I wanted to inspire you if you're a musician. Here are a couple different examples and templates that you can use for your Squarespace website. I'll be going through a few of the examples and templates, but if you want to access the full blog post, you can click the link in the caption and explore for yourself. So I'm just going to scroll through here and I want to just show you guys, we do have like some extra things for musicians. If you're building your website, what, is good about Squarespace, what isn't, and you can read through that. And here you go. We have a few of our favorite websites. The first time is All Time Low. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the link to the website. When you open this up, you want to look through it, and again, here they have a video where you can show your music. You could show a music video, whatever it is. There's just so much engaging things here, and something that makes it really easy. They have this stay connected page where you could put your phone number, which is really nice to collect things. They even have a shop page where you can shop products from them. And something that I love that they did is this color blocking. I think it just looks really good. More videos from the music, and they actually created a CTA button here where you could watch more of the videos. And then they even have their tour dates down here, which is a really nice touch. I think is amazing for musicians because people can see what's next, how to book. You can buy the tickets straight through here, which is really nice. They have other things in their heading. So again, kind of like the tour dates, but on a separate page, making it a lot more cleaner. And then they have something else where they have this club that you could join, that this takes you to the link. And then they also have merch, and the merch takes you to a different page. And you can shop all of the merch. Another one is Me Lost Me. And the cool thing about this one is, again, it's also bright, but I want to mention something. You can use Squarespace to basically customize your site however you want, and it makes it pretty easy. So you can make it any kind of branding you want. It doesn't have to be like this, but this is just another really good inspo of a very simple website for a musician. But again, it has an About Me section, it has the tickets section, it has a merch section also, which takes you to the website where the merch is sold. There's a music videos section. I love how the color changed in the background so you're on a different page. And of course, a contact section if you wanted to contact the musician. Okay, now the next one is a rock and orchestra type of artist. So this one's really interesting. So let me show you what their site looks like. I absolutely just love the simplicity of this. I like how they have this announcement bar over here. You actually can do something like this with Spark plugin. We have a really easy customization where you can add an announcement bar. And this site, again, very simple, but you can find all the information. They have an About Us section over here with some nice pictures. And then they also have a members section, which is really nice. And again, a contact us section if needed. And they also have this hire us section. So you can add multiple forms to your Squarespace website. You don't need to just limit yourself to one. Another one is Kelly Clarkson, which is obviously very famous and we all probably know her. So I wanted to show you this website. What's crazy is it's all basically on one page and it looks really nice and straight to the point. She has the music video here also, which is something to note. And then the merch is over here, and then you can listen to her music. It takes you to various websites, and then the tour. So pretty similar, but just a different kind of styling that's a little bit more warmer, just to inspire you. Another one is this one, that's Colleen Morrison. And I love the grayscale theme on this. I just think it looks so cool and minimal, and the fonts are really cool, and everything is kind of like that grayscale, black and white. And again, there's different sections for different things like tour dates, there's a little bit of a pop of color here in this header, which is cool. It changes throughout the website, so that's just something cool to note. They also have this contact page with bookings, the label, publishing, and so on. So overall, kind of minimal with like a little twist, which is really interesting. Another really cool one is this one by Laidback Luke, and it has this red theme. So that looks really cool. It's all kind of like red throughout with the black, which I think looks cool. I like how this hero image kind of bleeds into the header. It's not separate, which looks really cool. And again, they have a tour dates, and this is all actually kind of on one page as well. And as you can see, you click on the header, it scrolls down, which just looks really nice in my opinion if you wanted to keep it very simple. Now a couple Squarespace themes for a musician. We have Van Damme, so you can actually use these templates and create your website. This one is very simple. You can just plug in your information. It basically has like a very similar setup of all the inspo that we showed you, but you can just put in your own info and play around with the brand colors. And of course, you could use Spark plugin to kind of customize it. Another one is Fusion, and this one is not a free template, but let me just show you this one. It's from Jessica Miller. Let me show you the actual live website. So this is what it looks like, a little bit more just like, in a sense, girlier or colorful. There's different slots that you could add pictures and different things. I really like these section dividers. I think they make the website look really fun. Another one is Parable, and this one is also by Studio Mesa. This one is $3.95, but a really good choice if you want something minimal like this. It just looks really good with the black and white. I love all these section dividers. Again, when you buy this template, you can plug in all of your information and make it yours, but it's basically set up for you so you don't have to code all of this and set it up. And then the last one that I'll show for today, and you can go through the rest if you click the link in the bio, is this one by Sydney. And this is a single page site, kind of like the one I showed you in Inspo. So everything is like on one page in a way, and you can just display everything you need, and you could just keep it simple like this. This is a Squarespace template. I believe this one is free. So if you want something to just start off to have a website, you can start off with this one and then you can build on. I hope this video inspired you, and as always, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified for more Squarespace tips and tricks. I'll see you next time.